India's digital transformation is expected to create an economic value of $1 trillion by 2025. Apart from existing sectors, new areas like agriculture, healthcare, logistics, jobs and skills market, e-governance and other areas, coupled with advanced technologies, will lead to significant growth of data storage and computing. Owing to their locations and infrastructure, Mumbai and Chennai are expected to be the largest beneficiaries of potential growth in India's data center market, say experts. Hello and welcome to VAR India News Hour. India's data center industry is witnessing the growth to achieve a $1 trillion digital economy by 2025, and Mumbai and Chennai have been identified as major accelerators of capacity expansion. The Nxtra by Airtel and JLL India's joint study highlights that while India's data center future will largely depend on coastal cities with ready access to cable landing stations, landlocked cities like Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Kolkata and Pune will also be beneficiaries of a growing data center industry. Chennai, with its host of infrastructure advantages like the highest internet speeds in the country, availability of submarine cable landing infrastructure, land supply, green energy options, supportive government policies and skilled manpower, will emerge as the next data center hub after Mumbai, said the study titled Data Centers, the Building Blocks of Digital Revolution in India by JLL and Nxtra. It projected that the expansion of the Indian data center industry will be supported by the accelerated adoption of digital infrastructure led by the pandemic, rising digital usage, cloud consumption, and the national 5G rollout. It said that much of the industry growth will center around Mumbai and Chennai due to their business and infrastructure advantages, strategic location, and cable landing stations that are well positioned to support and enable the growth of data centers across India. Further, the study also shows that the convergence of data protection, strong demand from cloud players, migration from captive to cloud, industry-friendly regulations, government's digital initiatives and investments will spearhead the ongoing growth of the data center industry in India. The report outlines Delhi NCR region's data center industry has been supported by regulatory incentives and has the potential for large demand from government organizations. Secondly, Pune has developed as a disaster recovery location for banking, financial services and insurance players due to its proximity to Mumbai. Whereas Bengaluru has a higher proportion of on-premises data centers operated by global in-house centers of global technology firms. Kolkata, located in the densely populated eastern region of India, is expected to have a new cable landing station in the next few years and will emerge as an important location, it added. Let us now look into today's headlines in VAR India. Nasdaq halts IPOs of small Chinese firms over stock rallies probe. Nasdaq Inc. has put hold on initial public offering preparations of at least 4 small Chinese companies while it investigates short-lived stock rallies of such firms after their debuts. This comes amid a surge in the shares of Chinese companies that raise small amounts, typically $50 million or less, in their IPO. These stocks rise as much as 2,000% in their debuts, only to drop in the days that follow, impacting investors who are bold enough to speculate on penny stocks. It is not clear what action the Nasdaq will take after the probe and whether all or some of the halted IPOs will allow to continue. iPhone users facing issues with their Face ID function. Several iPhone users are reportedly facing issues with their Face ID after the iOS beta update. As per reports, a new bug in iOS 15.7.1 beta is causing the Face ID to malfunction in the iPhones. While the bug is likely affecting many iPhone devices, the most affected ones are the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro models. Users were greeted with a Face ID not available error every time they tried to use facial recognition on their iPhones. Chhattisgarh Police arrests over 250 people in online betting. The Chhattisgarh Police have arrested more than 250 people over the past month for allegedly operating centers in the state to lure people to indulge in online betting via an online application Mahadev. The online application was launched by a group of people who operated out of Dubai. According to the police, 258 people have been arrested in 25 cases so far. The application has close to 4 million downloads and most bets were in the range of ₹1,000 to ₹5,000. Hackers exploit critical flaw in VMware Workspace ONE Access. Threat actors are exploiting a now-patched vulnerability in VMware Workspace ONE Access to deliver cryptocurrency miners and ransomware. The issue concerns a remote code execution vulnerability that stems from a case of server-side template injection. The attacker intends to utilize a victim's resources as much as possible, not only to install RAR1 ransom for extortion, but also to spread guard miner to collect cryptocurrency. Google reportedly removed 16 utility apps from Play Store. Google is reported to have removed 16 utility apps from its Play Store, which were causing faster battery drain and high data usage on the Android devices. According to McAfee, the removed applications were performing ad fraud by redirecting to web pages in the background to click on ads impersonating a real user. The removed apps generally perform the basic tasks such as allowing users to scan a QR code and visit the linked website, turn on the device's flashlight, or as basic as a currency converter or a calculator. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.